This is the 5th grade class from Butterfield-Odin School. With funds from the Statewide Health Improvement Partnership, or SHIP, the school was able to purchase a tower garden for students to grow fresh produce all year long in the back of their classroom.
The lettuce, tomatoes, lettuce, arugula. How are the cherry tomatoes? The tomatoes. The lettuce. Probably the spinach.
Beth Lobbins with the University of Minnesota Extension SNAP-Ed provided nutrition education to this group of 5th graders when they were in 3rd and 4th grade. This year, they learned more about gardening and were able to make recipes with produce from the tower garden.
The smoothie.
I think they really enjoyed the stir fry because they got to cut it and cook it and then taste it.
There's water here, and there's tubes that go through it that gives it water. It gets light from the plug-in right there and the cord that plugs it in. Sometimes we ate them and sometimes we got it till lunchtime.
The 5th graders also designed their own logo to highlight the produce from their tower garden on the lunch line. Both Caroline McCourt, the school coordinator for SHIP, and Beth with Extension assisted the students in turning their design into a digital logo to be used for SHIP-funded signage.
So having a classroom teacher that is really on board with working with the tower garden is first and foremost. That's huge. That support right there is what made Butterfield's Tower Garden so awesome. And then having the kids that are excited, having other individuals within the school, such as superintendent, principal, and even other teachers collaborating on this effort, and then being able to bring in the support from SHIP and the U of M Extension has just made all hands on deck, everything run smoothly, and have a lot of fun with it.
I think my favorite thing about the tower garden in the classroom was how much the kids learned when we did this project.
I learned that we should take care of plants because they help us to breathe oxygen. To grow plants. That it can grow without soil.
I think they learned that food just doesn't come from the grocery store, that it takes a while to get the food.
The fact that they could have this in their classroom every day, they saw the process every day, and they saw the changes was huge for them.
The Tower Garden is in its new home for the summer months at the Butterfield Hardware grocery store, where customers and students can use the produce both from the tower gardens and the Let It Grow barrels outside. The Tower Garden will return to the 5th grade class in September, so a new group of students can grow and learn another year.